hopping on a light rail vehicle. This is how more than 3 million Americans begin their mornings every day, from LA to Portland to Charlotte.
It's allowed me to get places faster during rush hour and avoid parking.
The U.S. now boasts some 35 light rail systems, a five-fold increase in the past 30 years. Ridership is up 4% from last year alone.
It's about congestion mitigation, it's about air quality improvements, it's also about economic development.
It fosters transit-oriented development, which means the growth of retail and housing around the stations.
According to the American Public Transportation Association, or APTA, each $1 billion invested in public transportation creates 36,000 jobs, and every $1 invested in public transportation generates $4 in economic return. Siemens, which manufactures 100% of its light rail vehicles for North America in America, points to the historical correlation between public infrastructure investment and economic growth.
The overall impact of a light rail system on a city's infrastructures is that it allows the citizens to travel more freely through the city. It also allows cities to free up additional funding that they would otherwise spend on car traffic and roadways.
It also improves air quality. Each person who forgoes a 20-mile round-trip car commute in favor of light rail reduces his annual CO2 emissions by some 4,800 pounds a year. And even during these tough economic times, taxpayers seem willing to help foot the bill for the initial investment in light rail.
73% of all the ballot initiatives in the country have passed when it comes to dedicating taxes, whether they be sales taxes or property taxes, to the development of transportation choices, and specifically transit choices.
Light rail helps people get where they're going. This system is dynamic, it's growing, it lends to the vitality of the area.
Which could explain why more than 40 additional light rail systems are currently being considered across the country. I'm Kate Brooks.